Halatang ipinagmamalaki ni na Mami Katrina at Daddy James ang kanilang uniko iho, hindi lang daw multilingual, multi-talented din. Marunong mag-traditional calligraphy o lettering na sulat kamay.
It shows the beauty of traditional writing and a writing that was founded 100+ years ago. I learned this on the internet and slowly but surely I learned the steppings.
Mahusay ring mag-drawing at magpinta. Aba, performer din. Kaya niyang kumanta at umarte sa teatro.
Trusty as the rooster, crowing at the break of dawn.
Katunayan, ngayong Abril, lilipad siya pa Japan para bumida sa isang stage play.
Siyempre, we're very proud. Yung curiosity niya knows no bounds.